Hello Mom, how's it going guys? Welcome to a new video. We are working on a Polo today. We're going to be installing some fog lights. It's something a little bit different. I've not done fog lights myself, but it should be pretty simple. We have the fog lights over here. They're going to be replacing the fog lights on this one over here. So you can see basically how it's set up, and then obviously it's already got a bulb and everything. I imagine you can change the bulb whenever you want, because I think these are going to be candlelight bulbs. And are you running LEDs or do you still have standard bulbs? LEDs. Okay, so we're obviously going to be replacing that, and then we should be good to go. So I'll show you guys the whole process. I'm going to try to do as much information as possible on how we do it, because we get a lot of comments asking like, can you do a bit more of an in-depth video on lights and stuff like that, and I've kind of lacked when it comes to that. So I'm going to try and show you guys as much as possible, everything from how to get the bumper off the car to anything and everything in between. So we're basically going to take out all the screws that are holding the grille in on top. There's about 4 screws over there, as well as 4 screws in the fender liners, and then about 4 screws on the bottom, plus a bunch of clips. You got to take all of those out, and then there's 2 more screws under the grille itself. And once you have those out, then the entire bumper can come off, and you just need to disconnect the sensor that's connected to the grille. Alright guys, so you guys can see the bumper is off now. We detached everything. I'll basically line up all the clips, but there's about 4 screws on the bottom, plus these plastic clips that hold it to the cradle in front. And then you've got another 4 inside here, plus one that goes through. This one's a bit of a one to get to, but if you can get through these, then you're good. And then there's just 2 bolts holding that on top, and then another 3 bolts that hold or 4 bolts that hold the grille in place. The grille has to come off to get the front bumper off. On the 9-3s it's a bit different. The 9-3s you can go straight through, and it doesn't have these mounts over here. But alright, we are going to try pull the grills out now and then get the spots in place. Okay, we just finished up with fitting the spots now. You guys can see them over there. I just want to show you guys, so they have these clips around here that everything clips into. All of them clip quite like we had to bore out some space here to fit the spots. We did both on the same sides. What it came down to actually being all the clips fit nicely except for the top one. The top one's a bit difficult, but you can see the plastic isn't the exact same as well. So I think the plastic is a bit warped, and this was on someone's car before because there was already holes. So all we did was you just pushed it through center pilot hole and then a really small self-tapper through here so that you can't see the self-tap on the other side. Just enough to hold it in place, because without those the top of it just clicks out. So You guys can see how it looks from the front. Everything's looking really fresh. We're gonna get the lights to the front of the bumper now, or to the front of the car. I need to sort out the wiring quick. We need to tap everything into the parks. Once that's set up, then we'll test lighting up, make sure everything works. Then we'll put the bumper back on, and we should be good to go. But we're doing pretty good on time. I think we're about 35 to 40 minutes in on the setup, and yeah, we should be done quite soon. Alright guys, so you can see the spotlight is in now. The one side had a terminal, the other side didn't, so we just spliced it together and then taped over it. And then I've got this wire running up through here into here, and then it basically enters into the lighter and it's tapped into the park wire. So I'll show you guys here. Park valve out. So it's basically just tapped into, you can't see it, but I just stripped the wire and tapped into the positive and negative. I'll just show you guys. So when you turn the parks on, obviously the parks are on over here, as well as the spot over there. And now we're just going to do the other side. I'll show you guys where the wires are and how to strip them, and we'll take it from there. Can see there, this is the park housing. Usually I find that I tested the theory, but the side, if the fin is facing upwards, the right side is the positive and the left side is the negative. I know not all of them have these fins. I think it's maybe a new spec thing that it comes with these fins, but if you don't have that and a normal Vivo like my shape, then it's actually color coded already, so you won't need to worry about what's what. But if you can't come right, just try the one. If it doesn't work, swap it around, it should work. There you go, and then the wire is obviously going down in through there, coming out to here. Alright, so we're gonna seal all of this up, put the lights back in, and then put the bumper again.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people that doubted? A lot. Left you out to ride? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many times did you cry? A lot. How many that died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did you bleed? A lot. How many times did you cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Run with you, that a lot. Penitentiary chances just to make a couple bucks. My heart so cold, I could put it in my cup. Game versus the world, me and my dog, it was us. Then you went and wrote a statement, and that really fucked me up. My brother lost his life, and it turned me to a beast. My brother got life, and it turned me to the streets. I've been through the storm, and it turned me to a G. But the other side was sunny, I get paid to rap on beats.
Alright guys, there you have it. It is finished. This is the setup. You can see the spotlights over there. Like I said, they're connected to the parks, so he can even turn them on while the ignition is not on, which is quite nice. Yeah, it's a pretty simple setup. There's nothing more to it. I think the scariest part is probably the wiring and getting the housings off. But once those housings are out, you generally take your time with it, and it has to come out from the one way because the one side has a hook, which is on the outside of the spots or that spot housing. So once those hooks are out, then you're basically free to go. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, if you want to do anything else. We are going to be changing these to LEDs at some point, so if you guys want to see a video on how to just change spotlights if you have them already, I can show you guys that as well. Just let me know what you think. Cool, cheers.